Hi, Danielle here from the Swan Tavern inside the Schoolhouse, and this week, heading into Thanksgiving, we're gonna feature our best-selling cocktail here, the one that we're most known for, and that's the Paul Allen Old Fashioned. So the ingredients for this drink: bullet bourbon, black walnut and cherry bitters, some house-made vanilla bean simple syrup, and it's just equal parts sugar water, and there's vanilla bean paste in it, and then a Luxardo cherry, and we're going to use an orange for the peel. So to get started, the secret part is the cedar plank. We're gonna light on fire. And once you get a nice flame going here, we'll put it out using the glass. So we'll let that fill with smoke and set to the side. And we're gonna prepare the drink in our shaker. So in the shaker, put some ice. And we're gonna measure out 2 ounces of bullet bourbon. And you can use whatever bourbon you like. We have some people that come in that like it with the rye. And then to that, we're gonna add 3/4 an ounce of this vanilla bean simple syrup. 2 big dashes of cherry and the black walnut. And we'll shake this. And we are going to prepare our garnish, which is gonna be one of these Luxardo cherries, and you can actually find these on Amazon. Peel off a nice big piece of orange peel. The trick with this, you want to really get just the peel and leave the white behind. So you try to leave most of the white and just get the peel. The white's a little bitter, and that's not really the flavor we're going for. So you take your torch and burn the edges. And what this is going to do is bring the oil to the surface of the peel. So this drink is a little time consuming, but it's worth it. So what I like to do is add a little bit of rocks to the bottom of the glass that we smoked. One more shake, and we're gonna pour this right over top. We will twist this orange over, and it gives you a nice mist of orange. And we'll add our Luxardo. And there you have our Paul Allen. So from all of us here at the Swan Tavern and the Schoolhouse, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and thank you for the last 2.5 years of coming in, enjoying this drink, and special thanks to Gail's brother-in-law named Paul Allen, where the drink came from, in Dallas, Texas. And we hope to see you all this Friday. We are closed Wednesday and Thursday. I know a lot of people wanted to come in on Wednesday. Maybe next year we'll figure that out for you. But please come join us on Friday, 5 to 11. We'll see you soon.